Hi everyone, this is Kevin Hannigan, founder of Presalytics.io. Today I wanted to walk you through the Salesforce Lightning application by Presalytics. With the Salesforce app, users can create, edit, and automate their content all inside of their CRM. After installing the app into your org, you can search for the Presalytics application in the app launcher. After clicking on the app, it'll take you to this page. On this page, you'll see your stories and story details. For those who don't know, your stories are Presalytics objects in the API that allow you to automate, edit, and create new content. To get details of a story, you can click on Show Details button here. Let's take a look at the story details. So you can preview your content by clicking through it here, down at the bottom. You can share it using your existing Salesforce contacts. So right now I've got different records that are on it, and I can find those records and add them directly by clicking on the action on the right-hand side. And you can analyze the content, so see who's viewing it. So I've got a couple different views under different accounts on this, and here's how much time I've spent viewing each of it by page. You can also create stories using the Salesforce application. You can either directly upload templates, or you can search for an existing template here. All right, so let's create a copy of the story we were just looking at, and click. This will take a moment, and then you'll be able to add pages and add and edit your story in the editor. Using the editor, you can replace text with Salesforce data. So if you've got data attached to an account, you can search for that account. For example, we're looking for the Presalytics account, and we can add that here. We can also change the color of objects. So pick a color, and then you'll be able to change the color of an object in the editor down below. And you'll be able to replace text with custom data. So you can replace key value pairs, for example, automatically. And another thing you can do is copy pages from other stories. So here's the list of stories that we saw earlier. We can select those stories and then select a page within them and then add that page to the editor down below. So here's the editor, and here's the story outline in that editor. So using the editor, we can do things like change page order by clicking these down handles, or we could change the stories that are here. So this is a new version that we're creating. And then as the story gets uploaded, we just had an upload come in, or an update to the story come in as it was running in the background. So we're going to save this change to the title. And okay, great. So that got saved. And then, so those changes should be made. They take a couple minutes to process. We'll click next. So we can go in here. We can preview the story, which will take a second to load. From here, we can hit the present button, which will take us out of Salesforce and present full screen. Here's the story that we just created and edited with all of its content in it. And then with our new story, we can share it with one of our clients. So, again, we just search and add as we did earlier in the deck. And that's it. If you have any questions about Presalytics.io, I'd love to talk to you. And we'd love to install this in your org. So look for our other YouTube videos, and we hope to see you soon.